When we are together, I feel inspired. Southwest Airlines supports what I do in the community. They give me the freedom to go out and see where we can make a difference. I think I focus on women because I see many areas where we need help. When I visit the organizations, for example, Legacy Ladies, it's really important to plant that seed and show them that you are a reflection of me. As I go, so do you. Black History Month is important to use this time, not just February, but 365 to give back to the community. We believe in what we're doing at Southwest Airlines, and we get to make a difference together. When it comes to giving back to the community, I'm proud to say, at Southwest Airlines, we do.